In this video, I will be showing you how to make your very own outro just like mine. First of all, you need to have Firefox downloaded. Then you can open it because the website we'll be using requires Firefox to function well. Next, in the address bar of Firefox, type in naso.io/yourmusic. It will then direct you to a website where you can create your very own audio visualizers. Once the website is loaded, drag the song you want to use into the website. And then it will simply load it into the website. You can then press the spacebar or the play button to hear it and see the background move with it. The cool thing about audio visualizers is that they change depending on the music. On the top left of the screen you will see 3 bars. Click on that, click on settings, then change it from whatever you have to dubstep gutter. Then go ahead and delete everything except for the background, as this will not be important for your outro. Then go ahead and click on the plus sign, and then it will create a wave looking kind of audio visualizer. You can then play around with the properties to move it to the right side of your screen, and then even change the color, and then change a few of the other properties like color, glow, to get what you really want. After that, search online for an image you would like to use for your background. Then right-click on the image and click on Copy Image Address, or any other way to get the address of the image depending on which browser you are using. Then paste it into the background property of Image URL, and it will load the image into your background. After that, you can mess around by adding any extra thing or changing those properties until you have exactly what you want. After that, click on F1 or a different key depending on the device you are using, and then you can use any screen recording to record your screen. Once you have finished recording, go ahead and open some kind of image editor. For example, I use Keynote to edit any images or visuals I will need for my videos. Here I have an end screen template that I already have pre-created. However, if you go to the link in the description, I will link a template you can use on Google Drawings for you to copy as well. Once you are finished with that, go ahead and open a video editor, in my case iMovie, and then add your audio visualizer to the timeline. Then go ahead and crop it to exactly where you want the beat drop to hit for your song, or just whenever you want the song to start in your outro. Crop the video so that it doesn't show the address bar of Firefox. Then you need to cut the video down to 20 seconds maximum, as this is the amount of time that YouTube will allow you to show your end screen elements. Then go ahead and add the image you just created and drag it on top of your audio visualizer. Then use a green screen tool to remove the green, and your audio visualizer will appear there instead. You can then also mess around with effects. For example, iMovie has a cartoon effect to just smoothen out the image a bit. A final step you might want to take is to take the original audio and sync it up with the audio visualizer. This way the audio will be as clear and best quality as possible. After that, you can remove the audio visualizer audio, preview your file, and then export it for your videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any ideas for other things you want me to do tutorials on in the comments below. Thanks for watching.